Hello friends, this is Vijay. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's session I'm going to share with you how to manipulate lighting effect with pattern, texture or 3D effect to your clip with the help of lighting effect tool in Premiere Pro CC. Before we start, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button which will let you know as soon as I upload new software tutorial. Now let's begin with this tutorial. So here I have opened Adobe Premiere Pro 2019 and the next step is to import your footage clip. To do that, double click on project panel and access your footage clip which is already saved on your disk. Select it and click open. And here you can see in project panel the clip has already been imported. If you want to use same footage clip, link has been given in below description of this video. Now grab this clip and drag it on timeline. So here I have placed footage clip on the timeline. This is my preview of raw footage clip in program monitor window. Now to apply lighting effect, go to effect panel which is located on the top of my screen over here. Click on effect tab and on the right side you can see all effect type list in the panel. So go to the video effect tab, then click on adjust, and then over here fourth one is lighting effect. Next, grab and drag this lighting effect on your clip which we have recently placed on timeline. After this, in program monitor, you can see by default lighting effect has been applied to your clip. Now let's go to effect control tab to understand properties which can enhance your lighting effect. Now here we have access to lighting effect for this clip. So here we can turn on and off this effect by clicking over here. Now click this rectangle to expand this effect and see here we have so many properties that can manipulate like lighting types, direction, intensity, color and so on. Okay, first one is using this mask, create or modify different shape like ellipse or a rectangle. You can also draw free from shape using this paint tool. So click on light 1 and here we have properties for light 1. Next we have light 1 to light 5. It means we can use up to 5 lights to introduce innovative lighting effects for any creative project. So let's have a look one by one. Click on light 1 and here we have all those properties for light 1. First is none. This turn off light effect on program monitor. Check out this preview right over here. Next is directional. This shines light from far away without changing any angle like sun. Okay. Next is omni. Omni shine light in all direction. You can see perfectly circular light shape. And the next is spotlight, that is oval beam of light. You can adjust position, scale and rotation of lighting effect by manipulating these handles and the center circle in the program monitor. You can also adjust these properties using the controls in effect control panel. One note, these lighting effects come in standard effect in Premiere Pro that allow direct manipulation of clips in program monitor. Next is lighting color. For that you need to click on this color palette and select your color and click OK. Now you can see selected color has been applied to lighting effect. You can also use this eyedropper to select color on desktop. Here I am selecting one color from my desktop, and here you can see that selected color has been applied to this light. And next option, that is center. Center is define x and y axis coordination value of the light. To move x axis, simply click over here and drag it to left or right. And preview you can see in program monitor. And for y axis, simply click here and you can check the preview in program monitor over here. Next is measure radius. This option is used when you want to change the length of your light in program monitor. So let's see how to use this. Simply click on this arrow and drag it to your right to increase the length of your lighting effect. And if you want to decrease the length of your light, just simply drag it to your left. And in program monitor you can check out the preview. Next, minor radius. This changes the width of your lighting effect. So let's see how to do it. Simply click on the this arrow icon and just move this to your right side. So here you can see this increase the width of lighting effect, or drag it to left, this decrease width of your lighting effect. In this way you can use this option and also check preview in program monitor. Now next is angle, and here you can change angle of your lighting effect. So simply click here and you can use this clock. Simply click on this clock to change angle of your lighting effect like this. You can see preview in program monitor. Simply click here and drag it to your left or right to change the angle. Now the intensity, which control whether the light is bright or less. Next is focus, that adjusts the size of spotlight bright area. After this, I am simply adding one more lighting effect to this clip in the same way as above. Note, here you can see light 1 to light 5 properties are same. Use this option to change the color of ambient light. Next, ambience intensity. Spread the light as if it were combined with other light in a room. Surface gloss. This determines how much surface light to reflect. and surface material. Control which is more reflective. Exposure, increase or decrease light of brightness. Okay, the next one is, this is a magical option in lighting effect, that is bump layer. Apply bump layer to use pattern, texture or 3D effects to your clip. First of all, import one clip which is already saved on your text. Add the clip you want to use as bump layer or texture to separate track in your sequence. Now add lighting effect to your clip in the same sequence. Go to Effect Control panel, click arrow to expand lighting effect. Click the triangle next to light 1 to adjust lighting properties. Choose a video track contain a bump layer from bump layer menu. Over here, from the bump layer channel menu, specify whether to use bump layer as a red, green, blue or alpha channel to create lighting effect texture. Next, I'm keeping bump height value from flat to high, that is 100. Select the white is high option to raise white part of channel from surface. Deselect this option to raise dark part. Note, all lighting effect properties except bump layer can be animated using keyframes. Now use blend mode option. I'm using overlay. I think this is perfect for my creative result. And here you go with my final preview of innovative lighting effect. You can also play around with best blend mode option for your creative. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, make sure to give us like and don't forget to subscribe. And not just subscribe but ring the bell icon so that you don't miss any tutorial. I'll see you in my next session. Till time, make sure to keep practicing, share your experience and review on this tutorial in below comment box. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.